Keeping up with the update videos, we got the Ford, the F-150, the Chef Kiss sounding F-150, I might add. It's got the 4.6 with the Flowmasters, chambered mufflers. Look at that. It's a good thumbnail too, ain't it? I like that thumbnail. That's the video right there. The first time you seen this truck, I did a walk around of it, and it needed some work, a heater core and all that. I did install the heater core. The blend door is good, the blend door motor is not. The tires still leak air like a SOB. You can tell. I actually aired this up a couple hours ago and drove the truck, and it's back flat. The decals look good on it. Does need some paint work. Inside, the dash is now fixed. The heater core is fixed. Radio works. It needs a cleaning. No doubt about that. And I still got some parts to put back on it. You know, like that fuse box cover. The Chevelle, we ain't did nothing with it. So don't look at that. Inside, I got some parts I gotta put on eBay. If you didn't know, in the description below is my eBay store. I sell a lot of parts and stuff on there. If you're a viewer and see something you want, leave a note to seller, you know, when you buy it. I appreciate the support. I mean, you don't have to. That door is locked. Oh, it's missing the rain visor. I just noticed on the other side. It's missing the back. This tire has got fixer fire in it. It does leak off every now and again, but not as fast as the other side. This stays up for about a week before I have to touch it with air. I thought about changing the front end to a Ford Lightning, the newer one. I don't know yet. Hood shocks. No vice grips anymore. We got brand new hood shocks installed now. Got a working hood light. We got all the vacuum leaks fixed. I do think this kink is an issue. I'm gonna have to get me a little piece of rubber, you know, a 90-degree for the rubber to go on. Piece of plastic or something. It's got a major oil leak. Major. This side I fixed. This side, it's, can you see back in there? What is that? Is that an oil pressure sensor? Is my oil pressure sensor leaking? Or is that an injector? That's something. I don't know what it is, but I got a ton of oil that is going down inside here. That's actually an injector, ain't it? Well, look at that. I think that's a fuel injector leaking. Well, gotta love old trucks. I mean, you fix one thing on them, for 25 more. That's the matter with it. Is it old trucks or used trucks? Because I think it's used for. It just sat a long time. Needs some maintenance. Oh, we fixed the gear shifter too. It had a lot of play in it. Gear shifter bushings. We also got a video on fixing the indicator for the park neutral. That white piece was broke. We replaced that with an upgraded piece. Check that video out. It's on my channel. We also, the linkage on the shift machine. Shift linkage. Down on the transmission. We fixed that. Well, didn't really replace it. When they put the transmission in this, because it's had a motor swap and transmission swap, they didn't latch it down all the way because they got a clip that you press up, then you adjust it. That fixed the gear shift. We just latched it. So, all in all, it's a nice truck. It's 100% rust free. I got people tells me I should keep it. It suits me. As of right now, oh, we put wiper blades on it too. As of right now, I like the truck. If I can get AC working in it, we have some videos on that because AC at the moment, I can't tell. The wind door don't move. The wind door is perfect. I had the heater core out and replaced it by taking the whole dash out. I checked that, trust me. The wind door motor does not move, so I got one of them coming in. $40 some at AutoZone for a Dorman, one of those. $15 on eBay. Which one do you think I went with? We ain't installing it today, are we? Gotta wait on it. So, what would you like to see done to this truck? You got one of these trucks. How you found my video? Comment below. I do read comments. I enjoy seeing them. Also, drop a like. That helps. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.